The DJI FPV is an immersive, high-performance drone that combines the excellent video capture quality of previous DJI products with the maneuverability and speed of a racing drone. Capable of capturing up to 4K 60p footage, the DJI FPV can reach speeds of 87 miles per hour and accelerate from 0 to 60 miles per hour in an impressive 2 seconds. When paired with the bundled DJI goggles, the viewer is provided with a low-latency, first-person ultra-wide view of 150 degrees. 2 screens combined with the goggles offer excellent viewing quality, boasting a high refresh rate at up to 120 frames per second over a 6-mile or 10-kilometer range. Footage is stabilized using DJI's rock-steady technology, ensuring ultra-smooth video capture that is recorded onto a micro SD card. With its 3 unique flying modes, users of varying ability are able to pilot the drone based on their level of skill. DJI's motion controller can be used to pilot the FPV with naturalistic hand motions, offering a new type of intuitive operation. In audience mode, the video feed from the FPV can be sent to multiple sets of goggles or smart devices, letting you share your flight in real time. Safety features include an emergency brake capable of bringing the FPV to a hover mid-flight, forward and downward object detection, and a built-in return to home function. The DJI FPV also has built-in aircraft detection for an extra layer of safety. Battery life is excellent, boasting flight times of up to 20 minutes.